VIPs, very important people who are here to learn and earn. So let's not keep it all to ourselves. Let us get together, get our phones, get together our team, and invite them. Let them know that today's Affiliate Marketing 3.0 presentation of Masterclass Training or Friday Education Day has begun, and they need to be here because we have the master trainer himself here today. So, and you know there are things happening that he is going to be able to share with us and be able to help us to understand what is trending and what's cruising along. So we're looking forward to this. Now, make sure that you have your pen and your notebook ready, and you have your questions ready to jot down your questions and also jot down the answers and anything else because we'll make some time for you to ask a few questions. So we look forward to that. My name is Grace, and it is a privilege to welcome each one of you here to this Affiliate Marketing 3.0 presentation. So what we're going to do, hang on 2 seconds, please. Hang on 2 seconds. Mhm. Yes. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get started. Make sure that we are all set to go. Ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to a corporation that has been keeping you reassured and moving forward, Affiliate Marketing 3.0 is that corporation. And without further ado, I'd like to invite Trashit, who is from uh, India, all the way from India. It's late for him, and but he has so much to share with us, and he is the master trainer. Trashit?
If there are new guests, you are most welcome because tonight training is exclusive and it's going to be around the upcoming projects by Affiliate Marketing 3.0. So tonight we have a special session where we will discuss few products, existing products, which are going to be playing a key or major role in upcoming launch by Affiliate Marketing 3.0. So like Chavez has announced, there is going to be a great event by the end of August. And in that event, two major products, not just one, two. One of them is, of course, Dodo 2.0. It is being redesigned, restructured, and it is going to be a very, very unique platform with the index trading as well as gamification that Chavez has recently introduced, and he discussed that in the white paper of Dodo 2.0. And another would be a project which is going to be with a sort of new calculations, new additions to the existing business suite of affiliate marketing 3.0. So major things are happening. Keep your excitement level very high because by the end of August we will have many exclusive things. All right, so tonight we are going to discuss a few products from Affiliate Marketing 3.0 already in the market. So let's start with affiliate marketing first. We know that affiliate marketing is Affiliate Marketing 3.0 is all about redefining the affiliate industry through building trust, transparency, and it is like a launchpad for innovative projects delivered to a community-driven marketplace. And all we want to do is transform affiliate marketing. The mission is to revolutionize affiliate marketing by creating fair, open ecosystem where everybody, including the affiliate, the partners, the clients, and the projects, everything is with innovation for equal and transparent benefits, right? And in that, first of all, we have the Bitcoin code BTCC. Now, how many of you know the difference between a coin and a token in this crypto systems? So, a coin is always backed by its own blockchain. Like Bitcoin has its own blockchain, Solano has its own blockchain, Tron has its own blockchain. So there is a unique blockchain system backing that particular coin, right? And tokens, on the other hand, do not have their own blockchain. They utilize the resources of an existing blockchain, and they are like asset with some value, right? Which is more trustworthy, the coin or the token? Something that has a credential backing it up, or something that is like using somebody else's resources. So BTCC here is a coin, not a token. It's a coin which is backed by a blockchain system. And for the blockchain systems to be successful, the coin has to be openly available in the open market. right? So although BTCC right now is not available on open exchanges, but eventually it is gonna be. And we also know that BTCC is on the exact trajectory like Bitcoin. So the value appreciation, the benefits are also are destined with BTCC. So hold on your BTCC, grab as many BTCC as possible, because even with the new project, BTCC will have a great increment in its value. All right. So Bitcoin code. Now let's get on to LquidPay. And as we all know, LquidPay is a simple spending mechanism from crypto to fiat. It's a simple payment solution, nothing else, right? Your crypto is automatically converted to fiat at the current exchange rate, ensuring smooth payments for merchants. If we speak of merchants being empowered by Visa, we have an exclusive access to 140 million, more than 140 million merchants worldwide. So anywhere where Visa cards are accepted, in any part of any global country, wherever Visa is accepted, this crypto credit card LquidPay will be accepted. And it's a application based system where the transactions are easy, efficient, fast, with no banking delays, instant payments, right? So LquidPay is going to be a great asset to everybody who is involved with crypto. And it is not just a payment solution. As we all know, a banking system is also being integrated into this crypto credit card. So the next future of banking is blockchain based banking. Very soon we are going to have DeoBank on onboarding LquidPay. So again, that will give it exclusivity and a great advantage for everybody. And this will bring larger community on LquidPay. Then we have a decentralized wallet system. What does this mean? This means that if you're using any existing decentralized wallet, maybe MetaMask, maybe Tron, not Tron, Trust Wallet, or any decentralized wallet, you can in fact attach that wallet to LquidPay, and you can deposit your assets into that wallet. So that way you have complete decentralized control of your own assets, anytime available for withdrawal. You can deposit at your convenience, withdraw without seeking anyone else's permission. So this is decentralized wallet which is being offered by LquidPay, right? Then we have Visa Association, through which we get a worldwide network of merchants. It's a smart financial tool, automated savings, earnings, and DeFi strategies with ease. Of course, it's a global utility available 24/7 in your pocket. Not in your pocket, but in your mobile, right? Digital and virtual card offered by the company. And with a recent update by Chavez, physical card will also be very soon available for everybody. And the system is blockchain based. That means all your transactions are transparent, secured, okay? And compared to other competitors, it's fairly optimized in cost and values. So it is all about reclaiming your financial dependence with full custody, okay? Then it is not just a payment solution, it is also being offered with a cashback and reward systems. So anybody who would be interested in buying this card, there are three variants: $100, $500, and $1,000. Of course, they can be bought in USDT or USDC, and each variant comes with some exclusivity. Now there is no limit to how much you can deposit or how much you can spend, but how much you can spend in a single transactions, that is predetermined by the type of card you have purchased. So if you have liquid choice $100 worth, you get a single transaction spending limit. Single transaction spending limit. That means in a single transaction you can spend maximum 10,000, but you can have multiple single transactions of 10,000. There is no limit to that. So $100 liquid choice gives you a single transaction limit of $10,000. Liquid Prime, $500 worth, gives you 50,000 limit. And Liquid Platinum, the highest variant, $1,000 worth, gives you a single transaction limit of $100,000. So spending is defined, right? Now let's get to the referral part. So there are two types of referral. One referral that comes from your WAS back office. So you have affiliate back office here, and as you refer people from your left link and right link, so people join under you, and when they purchase card from there, by default a line of sponsorship established, and that way you get referral. So one clear referral line of sponsorship is defined from WAS, but even in the LquidPay application there is a referral program. Not many would like to associate with a affiliate marketing thing, but of course anybody would love to refer or recommend products which they are using to their friends and families, right? So two types of referral, but both are inclined to was. So anybody who would refer people, who will refer their friends and family, they get a cashback on their referrals spending. Let's say I referred 10 people. I bought a card, I liked it, and I'm recommending it to 10 people. So all these 10 people who are using or after activating their LquidPay cards, whatever they spend, I'm entitled to a cashback. So if you have Liquid Choice, you get a cashback of 0.1%. If you have Liquid Prime, you get a cashback of 0.2%. And if you have Liquid Platinum, you get a cashback of 0.3% from your friends and family. That means if once in a lifetime you purchase $1,000 card for any number of people you refer, you will always get 0.3% cashback from their spending. This spending should come from your direct partners only. Now, when they refer someone else's, then you don't get any commission on that spending. But your direct partners, whomsoever you have introduced to the system, you will get 0.3%, the highest cashback if you have Liquid Platinum bought once in a lifetime, right? This is cashback from your friends and family's spending. Now, when you spend your own assets, you get a cashback on that as well. So understand this. This cashback from your friends and family, this is in USDT or USDC. Okay. Whereas the cashback on your own spending, this is in BTC20 USDT. Now, BTC20 USDT is the asset from our own BTCC blockchain. It is an asset, right? All right. So now, in order to qualify for a cashback on your own spending, you need to invite partners. You need to invite your friends and family. So all in a lifetime, if you have referred two direct partners, you get 1% cashback, and that cashback is in BTC20 USDT. If you have referred 5 directs, you get 2% cashback on your own spending. Okay. If you have referred 10 directs once in a lifetime, only 10 directs, you are entitled to 3% of cashback from your lifetime spending, right? So it's very simple. LquidPay crypto credit card. Okay. LquidPay crypto credit card. What you have to do is $1,000 card once in a lifetime, and you are entitled to highest 0.3% cashback from friends and family, right? And if you have referred 10 directs, then you are entitled to 3% cashback on your own spending. Okay. So these are the benefits of LquidPay. Now, these are the benefits, but what are the charges? So as you deposit, there is a 2% deposit charge. That means if you have deposited $100, then $98 will be available in US dollar spending. That means you can spend $98 on $100 deposits. Okay. So this is the first charge. Then there is a transaction fees. So 2.3% is the application fees, the platform fees, processing fees, maybe whatsoever you may like to call it. And 0.5, that is 50 cents, is Visa fees. So these two fees are per transaction. Okay, this is also on per transaction. All right. And then there is an exchange rate as well. So let's say you are in India. So as you swap your LquidPay card, the POS machine will ask you, would you like to pay in INR or US dollar? Okay, some may choose INR, some may choose US dollar, whatever convenient is to them. And if this payment is in India, of course, then only if it asks for INR, right? So if there is a forex involved, that means foreign exchange is involved, that means you have $98 to spend, right? But you are paying in INR in a local country, right? Locally in a country, India, right? So there will be an exchange rate as per that day's value, forex value, exchange value. Okay, this is additional. Okay, so practically using LquidPay card for small transactions, it may seem a bit costly for everybody, but if you are, using it for the big payments, like 0.5 is on per transaction, right? So it will make more sense spending in big amounts with LquidPay card. Okay, but every day-to-day needs can be paid by LquidPay crypto credit card. And this is not just the solution. It is now being introduced with the DO bank, that's the decentralized on-chain banking, and it will take this system into a different level. So decentralized on-chain bank, what does that mean? So now this LquidPay card will be a protocol driven, self-custodial, yield generating financial ecosystem. Now it's not going to be just limited to an application. There will be a financial system associated with this, which will take this card from just spending to now savings as well. So what the team is trying to build is first payment platform that allows the users to spend directly from their own wallet. That already has been achieved, and now they are extending the infrastructure to on-chain savings as well. That means if you deposit your assets, if you keep your assets on LquidPay, it will generate yield for you. In banks, we call it interest, right? Banks give you interest on deposits, but in crypto, it's called yield, and it's called staking. So it is not exactly staking, but as you deposit, as you just put your assets in LquidPay, they will start generating on-chain savings benefit, right? So this is very big. It's a next generation banking infrastructure, and LquidPay is evolving into first DO bank, spend, save, earn from your self-custodian wallet, powered by Visa. This is very important. All right. So the interface is application based. You can buy it from, you can download it from Google Play or App Store, and uh, this is a great tool. How do you buy that on the back office? So we know that in the assets we have deposit wallets, and the products all are classified into two main categories: the CEFI products and DeFi products, right? So LquidPay is a DeFi product, and in all the DeFi product, the deposit ratio is 60-40. That means 60% in TRC20 USDT, 40% in BTC20. All right. So here are the wallets: the DeFi deposit wallet, TRC20, this is 60%, and this is BTC20 DeFi, 40%. But you also have an option if you don't want to use USDT TRC20, there is an option to use Polygon USDC as well. So you may like to deposit in Polygon USDC, you may choose this wallet, 60%. And on CEFI, it's simple. It's a 100% deposit in TRC20 or USDC Polygon, right? So for LquidPay, you can use 60% in USDT TRC20 and 40% in BTC20. So there are three variants: Liquid Choice, Liquid Prime, and Liquid Platinum, $100, $500, and $1,000. So you may choose as per your convenience the card you would like to subscribe. And once you buy it from here, it generates a coupon. So this is your subscription history, and in that you will find coupon. And this coupon, in fact, can be transferred to your own email address, or if you would like to sell it to someone else, you can transfer it to their email address. So this coupon management system, it was a great way Chavez has introduced. This was brilliant. And this way you can in fact do the retailing of LquidPay card. You keep on buying on your accounts and you can keep on selling the LquidPay cards. They will download the application and you can transfer these coupon codes to their email. That way they can activate their LquidPay cards using the coupon which has been transferred to their email address. So the transfer is email specific. Make sure you put in correct email. All right. So this coupon management can be a great asset. So if you are activating the card for your personal use, then make sure that the email address on your affiliate marketing 3.0 back office and the email on the registration while registering for the LquidPay card application is same. If it's not same, then also you can transfer this coupon to your other different email which you have used on LquidPay application. All right. And then while activating the card or the application for the first time, it asks you for a referral code. Okay. Now, please make sure that the line of sponsorship, so this is you, and as you sell this card to a number of people, right, maybe transfer, just make sure that you generate either a new sub account under you by yourself, or you give away your referral link and ask people to create a WAS account. It is not compulsory for them to do an affiliate marketing, but in order to purchase the card, it is highly recommended that you create sub accounts and you buy card from that sub account. Why? Because first of all, it will give you referral benefit in the affiliate system, and it will be easy for you to transfer these accounts to the individuals if anytime they like to start affiliate, right? Because they also would like to compensate their paid value. So it's highly recommended. And one more advantage is when you ask them to create a sub account and when they buy in their own personal account, they automatically get your referral link. Now, as you can see, this is DVC One Team account, and here at the subscription interface, a sponsor code or a referral code is automatically generated. Again, this was a brilliant move by Chavez. So if you create sub accounts and you give the sub accounts to your people whom you are prescribing liquid pay, then automatically your account details will be available in the referral code in the subscription interface. So all you need to do is ask them. So log into your WAS back office, go to the subscription, and there you can find my referral code. Straight away copy that and put it while you are registering on the liquid pay application. Even the link to download the application are available here. So you may not like to tell them that download from, this is the name of the application. You can straight away ask them, go to your subscription interface and straight away download. There are links for Android and Apple, and you can download the application from there. And even the referral code is mentioned there. You can use the same referral code to activate your liquid pay account. This is brilliant, right? All right. So this is all about liquid pay. Now let's get on to Protocol Yeald. Protocol Yeald, as we know, it's a profit sharing system. So SoFi, social finance infrastructure, and here we allocate funds to HFTs. HFTs are high frequency traders officially registered on two top exchanges, Binance and Bybit. So what we are doing is we are using their experience, we are using their expertise, and all we need to do is allocate funds to them. They use our funds, they do the trading, they have a strategy, they have their experience, and through that they generate profit. And the system brilliantly has been designed with a PSDS cycle, profit sharing daily settlement. So every day this accounts are settled and a P&L report, profit and loss statement for that particular day is generated. That way, howsoever the accounts are settled, you claim profits, and the profit is shared between you and the HFT. So Protocol is a social investment platform that connects investors with top traders through AI-driven insights, profit sharing, and secure exchange partnership. There are other brand names as well: Amazon Web Services, Fireblocks, Shifty Pro. Shifty4 Pro is our KYC partner. Fireblocks is our security protocol partner. Practically, they are responsible for the security infrastructure, and AWS is web service, right, by Amazon. And the key component here is the Pi score, based on which the HFTs are onboarded to Pi platform. So not just a few tens of HFTs, there are more than 680 HFTs which are being scored daily on different parameters. Almost 1 million transactions are analyzed every day. And based on that, based on the performance of the HFTs, they are onboarded to Pi platform and they are made available for us to allocate funds. We may choose a single HFT or the multiple HFTs, and this HFTs, they whatever funds we have allocated together as a community, they use that fund, they use their strategy and intend to make a profit. Now, these HFTs can only claim their profits if they have surpassed their previous highest return. So there is a high tendency of these HFTs making a profit, claiming a profit, using the best strategy to make profit every day, because that's how they will be paid, right? So these are the HFTs currently onboarded. There is another HFT which is soon going to be introduced to Pi. That's called Magnificent 7. So that is a completely different deal, and even that will be introduced later in the month of August. All right. So why Pi can be a smarter choice for even for the traditional investors? First of all, the portfolio, it starts with a very minimum value of just $10. So there are two costs associated with Pi. The first one is the license. So you need to pay a license fee, right? And based on your license fee, you get two benefits. First of all, you get AUM, that is asset under management, and you get the profit sharing percentage. Okay, so based on your license value, AUM is defined. That is the highest fund that you can allocate to all the HFTs, right? Asset under management. Let's say, for example, you are buying a whale pass of $100. So the highest AUM you will get is $500, right? So this is the highest. You may deposit more than 500 on the platform, but the funds that you can allocate to the HFTs is only maximum 500. If you increase the license value, let's say you increase to $500, so the AUM is also increased, that is to $2,500, almost 5 times. And the success fee or the profit sharing, it is 50% in whale pass. That means whatever the profit the HFTs claim, you get 50% of that, and the 50% is retained by them. Over here also it's 50%, right? So the minimum, first of all, it is the license value that you have to pay, and then there is additional investment, which is going to be your portfolio or AUM. Okay, so license minimum starts with $100. Portfolio, it starts minimum with $10. Okay, so a low entry barrier for you to invest. So starting investment is just $10. Low entry barrier makes it possible for everybody to associate with Pi. The funds, the profits, capital is available at your disbursement, at your convenience, withdrawal, deposits, all anytime. But of course, you have to follow a PSDS cycle. All right. So after end of every PSDS cycle, you can claim a withdrawal. Traders are verified. Professional traders have a proven track record. The data is analyzed real time. No monthly fees, only a small percentage shared with the traders, and funds are safe and secure through CEFI and Fireblocks. So these two are ensuring that top security layer is offered to the funds and they are protected. So Fireblocks, if you scroll through this this link, it is a very old company which are particularly dealing in digital asset infrastructure. They are scaling and security. So big brand names here you can see, and these are practically responsible for providing the security infrastructure. So this is Fireblock, all right, and then there is CEFI. So CEFI is like a backup fund which was established by Binance back in July 2018, and it was purposely designed to protect the funds of the investors. So from the trading fees, Binance kept on accumulating funds in this wallet. This is the CEFI wallet, and right now this wallet amounts to almost $1 billion. So this fund is kept as a backup. Anything, God forbid, happens, and if it has to be utilized, Binance can compensate using this $1 billion in token holding. So this is CEFI wallet, secured asset funds for users. All right. So we by default get a sort of a surety from Binance as well that the funds are protected. So about the subscription on Pi, there is a limited package of which is absolutely free for everybody, but that is limited to only 30 days. You may deposit up to $100 AUM, right? So there is a free license, and this license is I mean, you don't have to deposit anything to buy this license. All you need to affiliate marketing account, and with this you get a AUM of $100, and the validity is of 30 days. Okay, then the next license is whale pass. So here you can see whale pass $100. The AUM is 500. Success fee is 50%, and the validity is lifetime. Success fee here also is 50%. That means whatever profit you make, 50% will be coming to you, and 50% will be the HFT's share. In this $100 whale pass, you get the highest AUM of 500, success fee 50. Validity of all the licenses is next is lifetime. License 1 500, maximum 2500, 50%, and license 2, license 3, license 4, the highest license $50,000. It offers the maximum AUM of 10 times $500,000, and the lowest success fee of 25%, and highest your share of 75%. Validity is still lifetime. So as you see, as you increase your license value from this to this, the AUM keeps on increasing, right? And the success fee keeps on decreasing. Your share keeps on increasing, right? Each license is for lifetime. So one subscription for lifetime. This is very unique. Okay. So how do you buy this this Pi? subscription. So on the subscription, you have buy. Of course, you need to deposit in the CEFI wallet. You can purchase the whale pass from here. And as you purchase, you need to have either income, CEFI income wallet, or CEFI wallet holdings of whatever license you like to purchase. And this also comes with a coupon management system. So the URL of Pi is pi.xyz. So it's pi.xyz. And once you go to pi.xyz, there is a sign up option. So you buy a license here and you sign up here. On the application side, you need to fulfill your KYC. And as you complete your KYC, you will be able to deposit. So you may start your portfolio here. But before starting the portfolio, you need to activate the subscription. So year 2, coupons are generated. And using that coupon, you can paste this coupon on your KYC account and you can activate your license, right? And that way you can then start depositing funds, and with the funds deposit, you may start allocating the funds to the HFTs. So these HFTs, they use community funds, they use their best strategy, and they generate profit, right? So this is all about Pi, and you can see Protocol Yeald is a social investment platform that connects investor with top traders. Here is Fireblocks, powers our technology with industry-leading security certifications. And yes, these are privacy policies, terms and conditions. And one more thing, when you click on Binance here, you can see it opens a referral account. So we have a master account, and then sub accounts are created under this. In a similar manner, if you click on Bybit logo, it's a affiliate ID, right? So this is Protocol Yeald. Now the last part is about Dodo 2.0. So Dodo 2.0. So this is Dodo, the Nasdaq of DeFi index trading. This is the existing version of Dodo, but very soon Dodo 2.0 is about to be introduced. So let me give you a highlight of Dodo 2.0, what it will bring. So Dodo 2.0's white paper already has been discussed by Chavez in 2 different Zoom calls, and Dodo 2.0 will practically have the basic index trading format. But along with this, Chavez mentioned there is going to be gamification of the platform. That means there are going to be, um, what do you call it? There will be small specific criterias. Upon qualification, people will be rewarded. So there are going to be contests, there are going to be leadership boards, and lots of things will happen. So Dodo 2.0 practically offers index trading, but it's on a centralized platform. All right. So obviously, Bybit will play a major role here, and with this, will have of course have an option to buy index, sell index, as well as create our own index. Now let's see. You go to Coin Market Cap, and you have a flood of crypto assets, crypto coins, tokens. It's very confusing, but if you go to the categories, and if you would like to have few coins from each category, right? So you would like to create a index on your own using those assets. So first of all, let me revive you. What is index? So index is a portfolio of cryptocurrencies. Minimum 2 is required. If there is a single cryptocurrencies in an index, then you can directly buy from the exchange. Why would you bother to have an index on Dodo 2.0? So 2 or multiple cryptocurrencies, and each index has a share value, right? And the performance of the underlying cryptocurrencies. Let's say you create an index called Three Musketeers, right? And in this, there is Bitcoin, there is Ethereum, and there is Solana, right? So maybe this index will have a share value of $10 per share. So if you would like to invest $1,000 in this particular index, then you would have 100 shares, right? At $10 each share. Now all you need to do is remember at which value you have purchased the share. In fact, there are going to be the trajectories. There are going to be guidelines showing you, indicating you how much your index has increased in value. And let's say if your index increases in value. That means now the value of that index is $20 per share. You may would like to sell some share or maybe complete, right? And you will make a profit on each shares you have purchased. So out of 100 shares, you may like to. So it is going to be very, very interesting. We believe that the gamification with the contests and the leadership board, so it's going to be absolutely remarkable. So let's wait until then. So there is an event scheduled at the end of the August, and in that event, two products, Dodo 2.0 and one more new project will be launched, and this will be a game changer for affiliate marketing 3.0. This is a unique platform, this is a unique project, and it's going to be very, very remarkable. So keep your excitement levels very high. Something huge and big is coming, and it's going to be a game changer for everybody. Invite all your teams, ask them to stay vigilant, stay updated, so that they can make the most of what is coming. All right, affiliate marketing 3.0 is definitely here to redefine affiliate marketing industry. So stay tuned, stay updated, and the best way to be successful is to gain knowledge. That will be all from the training side. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next week with another master training. Thank you, everybody.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Trashid. That was absolutely fantastic. And covering as far as the items that were addressed in the update. So I really appreciate how you break that down. Will we be able to take some questions? No, not at this time. So, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do is if you do have questions, please make sure to jot that down on use the DYQ form. That should be in the chat. So if you have, but make sure to check the answers to DYQ form, questions that have been answered before. It's kind of our ongoing running, frequently asked questions, sort of a makeup. So the trainers, presenters, rank leaders have provided answers to questions that have been asked using the DYQ form. So make sure to check those answers first. And if your answer is not there, make sure to use the DYQ form and drop out the question. Also, if you would be kind enough and caring enough to use the evaluation form to provide some sort of a feedback as far as this session or any other session. If you wish to make suggestions, that would be good as well. And make any observations, that would be very, very helpful. We look forward to receiving your feedback. Also, just as important, if not so equally important, is for you to look in the chat. In the chat has been provided information regarding DAO or Die, your subscription to that. If you haven't subscribed, you're missing out. So please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to DAO or Die, and that is the once monthly drop of intelligence, airdrop of intelligence from Chavez, in where she shares continuing education with you. Also, the URLs for the Pi website, the PY application and explanation is in the chat. Please go ahead and copy the entire chat and put it in your Word document so it becomes part of your library, as well as do not forget to also link up and make sure that you subscribe to Chavez's website. I believe it is Chavez Siddiqui, Ahmed Siddiqui. And so make sure to go ahead and subscribe to that website. So today has been the Friday Education Day. Thank you for being here with the Feds. And we look forward to continued communication with you through tomorrow is the onboarding. So tomorrow at 3 p.m. UK time, Eunice and Chantel really put on an education. The important thing is that the website, the back office is evolving. So please, it's easier to keep up with the evolution of that and how it's changing from these trainers than come and, oh my gosh, where's everything? So make sure to tune in tomorrow. That is 3 p.m. UK. time. And Chavez's website is in the chat. So just copy the entire chat if you can and make that part of your library. Okay. That's what I do every week. So until we see you again, which is Saturday, have a great Sunday. And we'll see you starting tomorrow and on Monday. Thank you all. Bye bye.